How to change my shield in the Monopoly Go game. If you want to add another shield and change the way it looks, then don't worry, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Monopoly Go game. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto three lines at the top right corner right here. Then tap onto My Showroom right here. After tapping onto the My Showroom, you will see the tokens option right here. Now tap onto Shield right here. Then here you can find the seals that you have collected. Now to change the seal simply, you can choose another seals from right here. Now here you can see collect new seals to fill this slot and unlock the rewards of the next shelf. Now to change it, first you need to collect the seals. And by collecting it, that will appear just right here and you can select them. And after selecting it, it will be changed the way it looks just right here. For now, I don't have any seals that I have collected, so I am just showing you the way how it works. And that's it. This is how you can change seals in the Monopoly Go game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.